LD-F1 penumbra drive test. We have an ESP32. Down off the bottom of the frame, we have two speed controllers. They're, I don't know, 40 amp speed controllers from Amazon. We have two iFly RC 380 kV motors, one for each side of the droids. It's a track droid. That is a belt system. We have a 10-tooth pulley on the motor. We're going to via this 42-tooth belt to this 30-tooth pulley. This pulley is also a 10-tooth pulley on the bottom, and that is connected via, I forget how many teeth this belt has, but it's connected to a 42-tooth pulley here, which will be directly connected to the roller for the track. Same thing will exist on the other motor. It's just not currently hooked up. I just have a piece of tape stuck to it so you can see what's going on with that motor. All right.